Hello, welcome back. Today we have another video with a different scenario. Wow, that's rhyming. Okay, so we're going to offer a fixed discount for specific categories and we're going to add a condition, which is a subtotal condition. Let me explain what this subtotal condition is. It is like this: when a customer buys products for a certain value or more, for example, 800 rupees, customers should buy at least for 800 rupees or more than 800 rupees, and then this discount get applied. So this is the condition today. Okay, are you excited? I'm excited. I'm always excited to create rules. I mean, who doesn't love discounts? Everybody loves discounts. Okay, so let's go to WooCommerce, discount rules, add new rule. Click on add new rule, and you can see this rule setup page. It's time to enter a title. So the title is whatever you really want. So category, let's say category. It's for your understanding. So you'd be able to differentiate the rule setups, because once you enable a lot of discount rules on your store, it could be confusing. So you generally need a title to list them out. So category. Okay. Choose a discount type now. It's going to be simple discount product adjustment. Woohoo! Okay. Now it's the filter section. You choose what gets discount. So for now, we are going to be category specific discounts today. So let's go to the option and click on categories. You can enlist them. For now, I'm going to just be, picky on one category, which is art. But if you want many other categories, you can still give them. Okay. Now the discount section, which is my favorite. You got to enter a value. So it's not percentage discount anymore. So we're going to click on fixed discount. I'm going to offer 100. I don't know, 100 is easy going. So, okay. Now we're going to add a condition. Subtotal condition. Awesome. So, which is greater than or equal to, let's say, 800. Okay. It counts all the items in cart. Super. So, here's a promotional message section, which is actually a motivation for customers to reach this value, to fulfill the condition and then offer the discount. But for now, I think we will skip that. Maybe we'll see sometime later. So all the other details have been given and we're going to save and close. No, wait, I'm missing something. Okay, so we're going to make use of this feature today. Let me show you what this feature is. Show discount in cart as coupon instead of changing the product price. So generally you can see discounts once we save and close. Once it's enabled, when you visit the store, you can see strike through, which is basically a setting and discount rules plugin. But today we're going to enable this feature, show discount in cart as coupon instead of changing the product price. And you can give a label for that. What label? What label? So category. Give it as category and whatever you really like. So instead of changing the product price or showing you the strikeout, you can see that it is applied in the cart. Okay. So let me show you. We'll save and close. Now it's time to visit the store. Awesome. So I have some items added in my cart already. So did you see that? My discount category has been applied to your cart. But you don't see the strike through here because we have already selected that option, right? Show as a coupon. So here we go. Here is our discount applied. So this is the label that we chose to give. So category, which is the discount here. You can also remove them if needed. Wow, this option is great. It's just like not using a coupon literally, but showing as if a coupon was used. Cool. Okay. I hope that was better and you understood. Thanks for watching.